Hi, this is Zach Meir with the late Bulletin Board Heroes here at Vox Markets for Tuesday, the 9th of November. Starting off with Alpha Growth, which seems to be improving itself, especially over the last week, or at least since the beginning of the month. We've got that rising 50-day moving average near the lows, which is normally a positive. Just breaking out through that late October peak, 3.35 pence, and possibly heading up towards the resistance line there from July, back at 4 pence above that. Then hopefully the shares are back to recover some of their former glories back in May at 8 pence over the next couple of months or so. But at the moment, initially looking for 4 pence to confirm that a base is in place. On to Ben's Creek, which doesn't have much of a chart, obviously, because it's new to the market, but just worth a quick look on the daily time scale. Normally it's on the hourly, but I think there's enough here already to start making decent projections. The reason for that is the way that one can draw a line from the end of last month, and the top projection there probably towards maybe up towards 35 pence area, the top of that channel, 35 pence perhaps by the end of next month, by the end of the year, something like that. Looks like we've had a mid-move consolidation either side of 20 pence, and we'd have a move from, we had a move from 10p to 25, and then we'd have another one from 20 to 35, that kind of thing. So quite symmetrical numerically. On to stock, which has been one of the stars of the week to date. Feedback, it's worth checking in on that, see whether it's managing to maintain its momentum. Looks like so far it has, in the sense that looks like we'll close just above yesterday's high, which was around 1.15 pence. Above 1.15 pence, or at least above today's low, around 1 point, or just below that. In fact, looking towards a target as high as 1.8 pence, perhaps by the end of next month. The upside valid, at least while we're above that old July peak around the 1.1 pence area. So maybe allowed down to a penny, but no more than that ahead of a possible 1.8 pence target. Onto a stock which I was excited about week before last, and then it managed to fizzle out, failed there at that resistance line from April. Probably the best thing here now is assuming that there will be a break through that resistance line. Will initially hit the 50-day moving average of 1.1 pence, and above that on an end-of-day close basis up to the 1.5 pence area, which was promised a